In this video, I'm going to show you one of the coolest ways to make money online. You are going to get paid helping new businesses find and generate their names and their websites. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process to show you how you could make money online simply helping people find their business names. We're going to start with building a website. It's really simple, and how to get traffic as well as monetization. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can get paid simply helping people come up with their business names. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I've got a really cool example to show you how you could make money simply helping people create their names. Now, most people are gonna tell you to go over to Fiverr and to list a gig on Fiverr, but we're not gonna do that because there's really no money. It's too competitive at this point. There's too many people that know about this side hustle. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do something else completely different. We're actually going to build out a website helping people find their business name. So have you ever had a business idea, but you couldn't think of a name? For example, maybe you want to start a clothing line, but you couldn't think of a name. So you went over to a website like the one you see on your screen here, and you typed in a name. I'm sure you're wondering, hey, how does this website actually make money? For example, let's say we type in something like clothing brand, and we click get started. And I'm sure you're wondering, hey, how does this website actually make money? That's what we're going to talk about today. So the first thing that we want to do, obviously, is we need a website. And to do that, I'm going to recommend that you go over to the second link in the description to get a domain name and web hosting. Now, I recommend that the domain name be something around business name generator, business name maker, business name idea, something like that, so that it's congruent or in line with your target audience's expectations. So that's step one. Click the second link in the description to get your domain name and web hosting. Step two is to actually get a WordPress theme. Now, this website is actually using this WordPress theme here. Now, I know that because I went to a website that says whatwpthemeisthat.com. I entered in the domain name, and this is the theme that they're using. And so this is actually much easier than you think. A lot of people are going to overcomplicate this process. They're going to think, hey, I need to be a professional coder. No, you just need to install the right WordPress theme, and you can actually get this done really quickly. So once you have your domain name and web hosting, you are going to look for this WordPress theme. If you can't find the theme, or if you don't want to use the theme, another option is you could either hire a coder or someone that knows a little bit about WordPress, hire them to build something custom for you. That's always a great opportunity. Obviously, that's going to be a little bit more expensive. Another thing that you can do is you can actually ask ChatGPT. When I was asking about different WordPress themes and plugins, and actually wrote some code for me. It was in Python, but if you wanted to, you could actually ask ChatGPT to write some code for you so that you can actually use this domain name generator. So step number 2 or 3 is simply to install a WordPress theme. Also, you want to install these different plugins. If we scroll down here, Business Word Manager and Domain Checker. Now, another option is you can use a website like Code Canyon to actually find different pieces of code that will help you with the domain checker. And that's basically just going to check and make sure the domain is available. Now, when someone is looking for a name for their business, most likely they want to have a domain that goes along with that business name. For example, if we were starting a new business called tennis clothing for adults, we'd want to have a website kind of like tennisclothingforadults.com. And so if we have a domain checker, we can actually check and see if it's available. And we can make recommendations to say it either is or isn't available. Another option, we could actually use ChatGPT. We could use their API. That's a little bit more technical in nature, but if you wanted to check and see if things were available in near real time, we could actually use ChatGPT as well. But this is really the only thing that you need to do. You need to go ahead and get domain name and web hosting, install a WordPress theme. Again, you can find this theme online somewhere. If it's not available, you can simply hire somebody, or you could even learn WordPress and do it yourself. So now that we have the hard part figured out, next is how we're actually going to make money. And we're going to make money potentially in a few different ways. One of the best ways to make money with this process is simply with affiliate marketing. As I alluded to a little bit earlier, if someone is looking for a business name, again, tennis clothing for adults, that's going to be our business name. They want a domain name that is along with it. And so what we can do, and they even show you on this website, if we click this, you can see, like, if we clicked on engaged brand, they will actually reference you over to GoDaddy. And if I were to click on any of these and buy this domain name, they would earn an affiliate commission. This is just one of the many ways. Again, we are going to get paid simply helping people with finding business names. But this is just one of the ways that you can make money as an affiliate marketer. Another thing that you could do is you could actually recommend different LLCs. Most people that are trying to get started with a business need an LLC if you're in the US, and you can recommend the different LLCs. There are affiliate programs for that as well. In addition, we could recommend Canva for people that want to create their own logos and mockups. We can recommend different WordPress themes, because WordPress is something that they're going to need to install on top of their web hosting, which we're also recommending. We can also recommend Fiverr. If they want to hire people to do certain tasks, we can recommend Fiverr and earn commissions off of all of this. So hopefully you're starting to see that this one simple thing, helping people find their business name, could lead to affiliate commissions in a few different areas. We could also recommend different business tools. Maybe there's invoicing software, there's point of sale machines, there's all sorts of stuff that we could recommend. We could also recommend AI writing software as well if they're looking to start a blog. There's just so many different opportunities out there to monetize with just affiliate marketing. Again, we can also look at business funding and social media tools as well, but that's just one aspect. We could also offer a service. Maybe instead of recommending them go over to GoDaddy, maybe we start our own web hosting company, or we offer to build out their WordPress website for them for $300 to $1,000. And that's just another opportunity. We can also offer logo design. We could do social media management. There are so many different opportunities that you can make money, that this is such a cool opportunity if you can harness the power. One of the problems that people run into when it comes to making money online is they don't fully understand all of the opportunities, and they kind of pigeonhole themselves into one or two things. But if you think about everything that a new business owner would need, you can see that there are almost unlimited opportunities to make money, whether it's with affiliate marketing, whether it's offering different services. Maybe there's something else entirely that you could do and potentially make money. So other things, as I mentioned, you could do build a WordPress website. We could actually do accounting if you knew a little bit about accounting, and or logo design. Now, people are going to say, hey, Alston, this is a really great idea, but how do I actually get people to my website? How do I get traffic? And don't worry, I've got you covered. There are two ways to get traffic. One is going to be with paid advertising. That's going to be expensive. If we take a look at my screen here, I Googled business name generator, and you can see that there are there are 3 ads at the top, and then there are a number, looks like at least one more ad at the bottom. People are paying to show up at the search result because they understand the opportunity. Now, if you were to do this business name generator, business name ideas, that's going to be expensive, and I don't recommend that for most people that are getting started. What I do recommend is taking advantage of social media, and there are a few ways to do it. One thing we could do is we could hop over to TikTok and we could create content about how to start different types of businesses. For example, how to start a clothing business, how to start a Shopify business, and then we can simply outline the steps. Number 1, get a domain name and web hosting. Number 2, number 3, number 4, and then you can recommend, hey, look, if you need domain name ideas, or if you need business name ideas, click the link in my description or go to whatever your website's name is. And that's really powerful. That will get people over there because you are solving a problem. You are helping them out. And you can do this over on TikTok. As you can see, there are thousands, hundreds of thousands of views showing people how to start a business. You can also do this over on YouTube as well. And another monetization opportunity is being a part of the YouTube Partner Program or the TikTok Partner Program. TikTok doesn't pay a whole lot, so I don't usually talk about it, but you could do this simply with with YouTube. You can also start a Facebook group teaching people how to start an online business, and then you could pin your domain name or your business name generator at the top, so when new people come in, they see that and then they go play around with it, and that will increase your chances of earning commission. What I'd also recommend that you do too is start email marketing so that you can market these things in sequence. For example, you send out a 3-day email sequence encouraging people to get a domain name and web hosting. The next 3 to 5 days is to get a premium WordPress theme. After that, to get the LLC and so on. And then you can make more money with fewer subscribers. So this is actually a really cool business idea if you take advantage of it. Now, don't expect to make $1 million in the next 3 days with this opportunity. This is something that you can build on in your part-time, in your spare time, that could actually be very, very profitable for you as long as you are consistent and persistent with it. So again, the process is real simple. You are going to get a domain name and web hosting. The second link in the description will help you get set up with that. Then you are going to get the WordPress theme that I outlined in the video and just walk through the steps. Next thing you're going to want to do is apply to these different affiliate programs. There are literally thousands of affiliate programs out there. So if you get rejected from Bluehost, for example, go apply to GoDaddy, go to apply to Name Hero and Namecheap, apply to all of them, and then see which one will accept you. After you apply to all of these different affiliate programs, then you need to decide how you're going to get in front of your target audience. Again, you can do this with YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, you name it, it will work. Just make sure that you are consistent and persistent in the steps that you follow, in on the traffic and the platform that you follow. And then eventually over time, you're going to start seeing more leads, you're going to start seeing affiliate commissions, and you are going to be in a great position because you are actually making money. Now that you know how to make money online, simply helping people with their business names, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planner. That planner will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.